Wealth never brings peace to the person who acquires it illegally. Nothing new will come your way until you change yourself. You don't change anything until you feel pain. Mistakes teach us which mistakes we should not make again. Never talk to anyone when you are angry. You will see things differently once you are over it. A half-truth is often a big lie. The fewer things you have in life, the freer you'll be. People who waste time can never make money. Wisdom in man always comes after disappointment. Anger and peace are two things that cannot exist in the same place. Talk less and act more, because people hear less and see more. My advice to young people is this: if you want to avoid tension, anxiety, and depression, stop trying to please others. It takes a lot of courage to hear a true judgment about yourself. Respect people, but don't beg for attention from anyone. Always use a gentle tone, because it is stronger than anger and force. Eliminate the fear within you, and you will become a successful person in the world. The best revenge is becoming a better version of yourself. Hard times test you, not kill you. No human being can appreciate happiness without suffering. An unhappy person can never live in peace. Sitting idle increases the problems of life. Sitting idle makes a person sick quickly. Doubt is often a useless pain in your life. Habits become obstacles in the way of human decisions. It is always easy to think and always difficult to decide. Repeating something over and over again loses its effect. Sometimes the greatest gain is in losing something. He who burns the most shines the most. A wise man does not care about what he does not have. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Life itself is not good or bad. People make it good or bad. We get a lot in life, but we only count the things we don't get. People like the truth only when it is in their favor. Everyone is trying to fool everyone else. He who was once deceived is always viewed with suspicion. You can't hide your footprints by walking on snow. Justifying a fault only doubles it. People are good until their mistakes are exposed. A person never forgets the respect he receives from others and the humiliation he receives from his own people. A nation that does not care about each other is destroyed. Don't think about what you eat. Think about who you eat with, because companionship has more impact than food. Eat with someone before you. Make them your friend. Listen to people. Show interest in them, and only talk about yourself when necessary. People who bring happiness to others have no enemies. A compliment always brings joy, no matter the purpose behind it. The things we hold most dear are the ones that hurt us the most. A person suffers not from his own circumstances, but from the behavior of others. It is wise to keep your secrets, but foolish to expect others to do the same. Before giving up on something, make sure you have something better than it. He who pursues two things at the same time will never achieve either. If you're going to do something new, be prepared for three things: failure, consistency, and patience. Advice should always be sought from the experienced rather than the merely wise. Only take advice from someone who has achieved their goal before. Be sure to listen to the advice of experienced people because they also know the reasons for their failures. The best way to learn something is to teach it to others. Making a mistake is not so bad, but not learning from it for the future is very bad. If someone's knowledge does not benefit others, then all their other knowledge is useless to them. Man needs difficulties so he can enjoy the pleasure of success. Books bring a person out of despair. Read books that are banned. Meet people society considers wrong. Go to places that are forbidden. You will learn a lot. A successful life is what you make of it. Work until you have to introduce yourself to people. Leave nothing for tomorrow that can be done today. It's foolish to give someone the chance to waste your time twice. Nothing can help a person who does not know his destination. If you need the opinions of many people to start a task, you should never do that task. Man always considers what he does not know to be bad. Learn to tolerate things you can't sell. Poverty is the mother of crime. Poverty is the greatest enemy of human happiness. It destroys your freedom. Health is more valuable than money because money is earned through health. It doesn't take long for a careless person to become poor. He who wants to enjoy the sunshine must leave the cold shade. When plans fail, life shows a new path. Every obstacle is a signal for a fresh beginning. The truth is always on the lips of a dying man. If you consider yourself the best person, then you are the best person. If a person does not want to go crazy, he should become a little stupid.